Buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's workout. So I wanted to just bring you along with me while I do my lower body workout, which is going to be all done just with a set of dumbbells. Now my dumbbells are these ones that I can pick and choose which amount of weight I want on it. So I'm going to write in the description box how many kilos I'm doing each time, just so to give you a reference. But obviously whatever you have at home, I'm pretty sure it's going to be more than enough. And the only advice I will give you in that sense is if you have less weight, then just do a little bit more reps each set, and vice versa. If you have more weight, just do less reps. The whole point is to do each set to failure. So basically, each time that we do an exercise, you're going to work up to the point where you feel like you cannot do any more reps whilst maintaining the form and whilst doing the movement in a certain way. So as soon as you feel like you're sort of coming short with the way that you are performing, then that means that you're done with that set. So I'm going to show you 6 exercises. We're going to do each exercise for around 4 to 5 sets, and each set we're going to do it to failure. And yeah, I'm just going to walk you through it with me. I'm going to give a little bit of tips in terms of form, but for the rest we're just going to go ahead and do the workout, which is going to take anywhere between 40 minutes to an hour, depending how many reps that you're doing, as I said, and also depending how much time off you're taking in between each set or exercise. So yeah, I really hope you like it. If you do, then please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my little tiny channel. And without further ado, let's get into the workout. So before I do anything, I'm gonna go and quickly warm up. So I will suggest that you do that as well. Just warm up for about 5-10 minutes and do some stretching, and then we're ready for the workout.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Right, so for the first exercise, we're gonna start really simple, and we're just gonna go ahead and do some normal squats. So what I personally would like to do is grab the dumbbell with both hands in front of me and really making sure that my lats, so this bit of my back, is engaged backwards, which makes my back be straighter and avoid arching on the top. So we're gonna take a dumbbell or any sort of weight that you have, and you're gonna go in front of you. You're gonna engage the lats back. You're gonna make sure that your back is pretty straight, not over arch, not like that. And we're going to go into a sumo position, and we're going to make sure to, as I said, keep the back straight throughout going down. And then here at the bottom, we're going to take a pause, then go up halfway, and then back straight. And like that, we're going to repeat to failure, and that is going to be 1 set. And once you finish doing the set, you take a break for 1-2 minutes, and you repeat for anywhere between 4, 5, even 6 sets. Just remember to keep the energy for what's after. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do the squats. Right, so for the next exercise, we're gonna do some unilateral work just to switch things up. So I'm thinking to do some normal deficit Romanian deadlift. So if you have 2 weights, I will grab them both. Otherwise, you can grab one side and alternate. And with the chair behind you, you're gonna put just about half the top of your foot. Walk so that the front leg is slightly on the side as opposed to straight in front of you. And instead of going down like this vertically, we're just gonna go slightly backwards, so diagonally. So a little bit like that, and then back up. So we're going to do As I said, as many reps as you can per leg, and then just ensure that you do exactly the same amount onto the other side. Right, so for the next exercise, we're going to work the inside of our thighs. So we're going to do sort of like a side lunge, but staying in place. So as I'm going to show you, you're going to once again grab one dumbbell in front of you. You're going to position yourself in a wide stance, sort of like a sumo squat or a sumo deadlift. And instead of lunging, so moving side to side, you're going to just shift on one side, making sure that this side of your thigh is really engaged when pushing up. So you sort of have to push from your heel and the internal part of your foot, so that when you push, you're only using this side of the leg as opposed to your quads or anything else. And then you're just gonna go onto the other side, and again, push to the middle, side, push to the middle, and so on and so forth. And once again, we're going to do as many reps as we can and repeat that for anywhere between 4 to 6 sets. Okay, so now that we're done one bilateral exercise and 2 unilateral exercises, we're gonna go back into bilateral exercises, and we're gonna grab 2 dumbbells and do some Romanian deadlifts, which in my opinion are one of the best exercises to target glutes and hamstrings. So once again, we're going to take 2 dumbbells or 2 weights, whatever you have. Position yourself sort of like as if you were just standing straight in front of you, and by really making sure that you don't move the knees anywhere, you're going to literally push your glutes backwards, so behind you, and go down with your back straight. And as soon as your back is sort of parallel to the floor, you're going to once again squeeze your glutes back up. So the whole of the movement is started and ended with just the squeezing of your bum and your hamstrings, so that no back is involved, no quads are moving, and nothing like that. So you're going to really control where your knees are. Start the movement by going backwards with your bum and keeping your back straight. So you're going to go down, and once your back is almost parallel to the floor, not too long down, you're going to just squeeze forward like that, and there is no need of overarching, nothing like that. And we're just going to do once again 4 to 6 sets with as many reps as you can per set. Okay, so now that we're done our compound movement, we're done our unilateral exercises, we're targeted both the whole leg as well as the glutes, hamstrings, and internal side of the thighs. We're going to do some quads. So for that, we're going to hold a weight in front of you. If you had lighter dumbbells, you can literally just hold them in front of you like that and just sort of let them rest upon your chest. And on a squat position, we're just gonna go ahead and squat for as many times as you can. Again, anywhere between 4 to 6 sets. And to finish our workout with our 6th exercise, we're going to do some weighted frog pumps, which once again are the perfect finisher, especially if you want to target once more the glutes. So we're just going to lie on the floor with one weight on your stomach, just making sure that it doesn't hurt your pelvis. If you need a pillow, then just use a pillow. We're going to put our feet sort of facing each other like that and on the floor in front of us. So once you have this diamond shape with your legs, you're going to put your back straight, engage with your lats just to keep the back really straight, and you're just gonna go up. You're gonna wait for a second, back down, up, wait, back down, and like that. And personally, I would make sure to do at least 30 reps per set and do at least 4 sets. So that's it. This is my complete leg workout at home using dumbbells only. I really hope you like it. If you try it, then please let me know in the description box below. As well, if you want me to do any other exercises targeting legs or the upper body with or without dumbbell, then again let me know, because I'm not quite sure whether or not you have access to dumbbells or weights at home, or maybe if you have only resistance bands and whatnot. So yeah, please let me know. If you liked it, then please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!